Hello, all my fellow singles. Today we're making a single-serving chocolate chip cookie recipe for all the poor souls who are single, including myself. First things first, like every cookie recipe in the world, we have to beat butter and sugar together. Make sure your butter is at room temperature. Brown sugar will make the final cookie a little darker. If you're not into that, just use all white sugar. No one will arrest you. Mix everything together until it becomes smooth and well combined. Now we have to give our milk powder a little test run until it turns golden brown. Adding toasted milk powder makes the cookie flavor and texture unbelievably better. You can do this with basically any cookie recipe. Just replace about 10% of the flour with milk powder and thank me later. Don't skip the salt. It's the tiny hero that balances all the sweetness. You can use chopped chocolate like I did, or chocolate chips. Honestly, both work, but make sure to save some pieces for later. The cookie dough definitely needs some time in the fridge to chill and get itself together, unlike some of us. Roll the dough into a ball and put the reserved chocolate pieces on top. Your oven should already be preheated because we're not making the cookie wait for its destiny. Now, for the perfect cookie companion, I'm mixing some of the Dalgona I made in my previous videos with milk and enjoying it. And finally, our cookie is ready. If you add chocolate on top like I did, eat it while it's still warm. The melted chocolate situation is basically heaven. Here's a close-up of this beautiful creation. The texture's gooey, packed with chocolate, and exactly the kind of thing you're supposed to look at when you're on a diet. And of course, it's time for Winky's final professional review, which, as usual, she absolutely hated it. See you in the next video.